So guys, this is going to be just an informative video. I just did this walk around here. So I want to let you know, if you haven't already heard, starting July 19th, so that was this past Monday, that if you live in California, it only affects California right now, that they're going to check when you go smog your car specifically to see if you've modified the engine control software. So in other words, they're going to see if you ever ran a tune on it. Now, it says vehicles that are found to have had a tune on them will fail. So that's new news. It's a new thing they're doing. Before, they didn't even care about that kind of stuff. But beginning July 19th of 2021, so this past Monday, they're going to be specifically checking for that information. So definitely, if you're, I think every 4 years you have to smog here. That'll matter. You know, if you guys have a tune, you'll definitely have to go back to stock. And I'm not even sure, they're not really saying too much, but I'm not sure if you go back to stock, if they're gonna dig deep enough where they can tell that you did it. So that I'm not sure of. It doesn't really specify that, and I don't think they're gonna tell you that. So any of you had that experience, definitely leave a comment below. If you had a problem getting smogged, I mean, it'd have to be recent, of course, and you're tuned, if they give you a hassle, because it says you'll automatically fail. So just wanted to share that information with you guys. It's something new. Definitely, right now, it's only for California that they're doing this. So, like I said, I thought it was interesting that they even care about that. But I guess it's an automatic fail. So it'd be more hoops to jump through to get your car to pass. And not sure, like I said, if you had it, you go back to stock, if they're going to say, well, you had it before anyway. Because there's nothing else you can really do at that point. So even if you had it and you went back to stock, I mean, they're going to have to pass it, because what else can you do? I mean, it's already did and done. So more than likely, it's just going to be, if you guys have a tune, go back to stock before you get it smogged. And some of you were going to do that anyway, just for precaution. So like I said, I just want to share the information. It's new news that I saw come through. Might help save you a little bit of money, frustration, getting an automatic fail. So hope that helps you guys out. Hope everyone's doing good out there. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.